Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a local business funnel in System.io quickly and easily. First, log into your System.io account. From the dashboard, click Funnels. Now click Create, enter a name for your funnel, such as Local Business Funnel. Choose the Build an Audience goal and click Create. Inside your funnel, add an opt-in page. Choose a clean and professional landing page template and click Edit Page. Start by adding a headline that clearly explains the service your business offers. Write a short description highlighting your experience, the benefits of your services, and why customers should choose your business. Add your business logo, photos, customer testimonials, contact information, business hours, and service areas to build credibility. Next, add a contact form where visitors can request a quote, schedule an appointment, or ask a question. Customize your call to action button with text like, "Get a free quote," "Book a consultation," or "Contact us today." Then edit the thank you page and connect the form to an email campaign so every new lead automatically receives a confirmation email and follow-up messages. Click Save changes and test your funnel before publishing. That's it. You've successfully created a local business funnel in System.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick System.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.